The roar of gasoline engines has long dominated the motorcycle landscape. But a new era is dawning, one where the hum of electric motors is taking center stage. Electric motorcycles are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are a reality, offering a thrilling blend of performance, sustainability, and style. For decades, the motorcycle world has been synonymous with the roar of powerful engines and the thrill of high-performance machines. However, a seismic shift is underway, as electric motorcycles are rapidly gaining traction and disrupting the traditional motorcycle landscape. These zero-emission machines are not just a greener alternative. They are offering a unique riding experience that is captivating riders of all levels. Electric motorcycles boast impressive performance capabilities with instant torque delivery, providing exhilarating acceleration that rivals many gasoline-powered motorcycles. Leading manufacturers like Harley-Davidson, Zero Motorcycles, and Energica are pushing the boundaries of electric motorcycle technology, developing high-performance models that can compete with the most powerful gas-guzzling machines. Beyond performance, electric motorcycles offer significant environmental benefits. By eliminating tailpipe emissions, they contribute to cleaner air and a healthier environment. This is particularly crucial in urban areas where air pollution poses a significant health risk. Furthermore, electric motorcycles are becoming increasingly practical for everyday use. Advances in battery technology have led to significant improvements in range, allowing riders to travel longer distances without the need for frequent charging. The development of fast-charging infrastructure is also making it easier for riders to charge their motorcycles quickly and conveniently. The rise of electric motorcycles is also having a profound impact on the motorcycle industry. Traditional motorcycle manufacturers are investing heavily in electric vehicle technology, recognizing the potential of this growing market. Startups are also emerging, bringing innovative designs and technologies to the electric motorcycle space. However, the widespread adoption of electric motorcycles still faces challenges. The higher initial cost of electric motorcycles compared to their gasoline-powered counterparts remains a significant barrier for many consumers. Additionally, the limited availability of charging infrastructure in some areas can pose a range anxiety issue for riders. Despite these challenges, the future of electric motorcycles looks bright. As battery technology continues to improve, costs decrease, and charging infrastructure expands, we can expect to see even more innovative and exciting electric motorcycles hitting the market. The electric motorcycle revolution is well underway, and it promises to transform the way we experience the thrill of two-wheeled riding. Want to learn more about the exciting world of electric motorcycles? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts on the future of electric motorcycles. And if you found this video informative, share it with your friends and fellow motorcycle enthusiasts.